Hi, Meir Ezra here, and I want to talk to you about an amazing situation. Did you notice that when a friend or a colleague has a problem and he comes to you, you can look at the problem and give him a very good advice, and somehow the problem gets handled and he's doing well and beautiful. Now, when you have the same problem, it seems like you cannot follow your own good advice. Why? Well, the basic principle is that in order to fix something, you need to be exterior to the thing. The thing cannot fix itself. Anything to be fixed has to be fixed by something exterior to the thing. So if you have a problem in a relationship, for example, for as long as you are the problem, you are the relationship, you will not be able to fix it. But let's have a look, and let's say when you create a relationship, you will see that because what you're creating is in the future, actually you are exterior to what you're creating. Very fascinating. So a problem that you cannot solve is because you're becoming part of the problem, and a problem that you solve is because you are exterior to the problem. This is so true that the only way to fix the body is to be exterior to the body. The spirit can fix the body. The spirit is the only healing agent for the body. Everything else is secondary. And if you can somehow get exterior to the body, you will see that you can fix the body. If you can somehow get exterior to the problem of work, you will be able to see everything about the problem and you will be able to fix it. If you will be able to be exterior to the problem of relationship, you will see all the problem of the relationship or all the factors of the relationship, and you will be able to fix the relationship. So the only reason why you cannot fix a problem is because you are part of the problem. And what does it mean to be part of the problem? When you are part of the problem, what it means is that you have a viewpoint, one viewpoint. When you are inside a problem, you have one viewpoint. When you are exterior to the problem, you have multi-viewpoints. And the more viewpoints you have, the more you'll be able to handle. Fascinating. Now, how do you gain the ability to be exterior to the problem? How do you get exterior to the body? How do you gain that ability to have multi-viewpoints? That's one of the things that I'm going to teach you in the From Zero to Hero Now seminar. I will tell you more about when it is, where's the link, how much it costs, and all of those important information in the future. In the meanwhile, what I'm telling you, it's coming. Listen, look for the date, and you'll see your life will change. Thank you. Bye-bye.